All right, lesson 11, given a name. And even that's my little note to myself. It could be earlier, but I just thought of it while I was at that stage in the course, in the outline, okay? But you may have an idea before you start, but until you go through everything and you have your frameworks and you have your signature system and you have your exact problem that you want to solve, then you can name it, because you might change some things along the way and you might get more specific as you go, like we talked about, which would be highly beneficial. For example, I think I just at first put this, how to build an online course. And then as I went through it, I started reading my own writing. I said, wait a minute, I need to make this more specific, and then I need to have a time element or some kind of, constraint in there, and under 24 hours that makes it a little bit different, separates it, but also that's highly valuable to a first-time course builder. Like, it's not going to take weeks, it's not going to take months. You get it up and running in 24 hours. Is it perfect? Probably not. But is it passable? And does it provide a lot of value? Absolutely yes. A man needs a name, and so does your course, okay? So that's the first impression. First impression, for example, like this one. How to build your first online course in less than 24 hours. You know exactly what this is about, okay? So the name's the first thing the potential customers see. It needs to capture the attention and make a strong first impression. And it should hint at the value that they're going to get, the benefits the course offers, and align with the course promise. Again, my example. My promise is that you will be able to build your first course in less than 24 hours. Build a course didn't really have a promise. Or like lose weight doesn't really have a promise, but lose 25 pounds in the next 60 days or less without crash dieting. You know what I mean? So, oh, wow, that I know exactly what that's going to be and what it's not going to be. I'm the right person or I'm the wrong person for that, okay? So the name is crucial. People say they don't judge a book by its cover, but they do judge it by its name, okay? So make sure the name is accurate, represents your promise, and intrigues them enough to see what it's all about.